Ayan ang Rose and Grace lights, maraming ilaw, very festive sa gabi. May bago kaming Starbucks.
This card. Who wants to eat ramen?
There's our food. It's ramen, gyoza, sashimi, California maki, volcano. Simot, Ate Bella. Okay, good job. Everyone, welcome to House Quran Vlog. Finally, kakasama na muli ang buong family. Tagal-tagal na hindi nakapag-vlog ng sama-sama. Here's Camila, she's grown up na.
Random.
Ate Bella and Kuya PJ, and of course, Ate Kelly.
Random dinner lang, mga nagugutom and decided to eat out.
Yung kahit dito sa amin is probinsya. Mabilis lang lumabas. Marami namang available na 24-hour kainan. So ngayon maghanap kami, hindi pa namin sure talaga kung saan alin ang pupuntahan. Saan ba gusto natin? Kelly, what do you want?
I'm so sick, my skibbity. Chongking.
Can we eat KFC? Because I want the soup and the gravy and the mashed potato.
Goto. I want soup. You wanna go KFC? Let's vote. Or we can do Chowking too because there's soup in Chowking. Mas heavy ang KFC. Mas heavy ang soup ng KFC. Ng Chowking. Japanese.
Pagbukas pa yung Japanese restaurant.
Saan ang Japanese?
Saan? May malapit ka.
Okay, we'll check Japanese restaurant. We'll check Chinese restaurant. We'll check Filipino restaurant. We'll see. See you later. Camila's antok na. And pagas muna kami. Empty na kanina eh. She's sleepy na. But she'll wake up once she's eating na. She's so cute. Ayan ang Rose and Grace. Ito yung pinakang center ng Santo Tomas. Traffic, Camila.
Kudos to Mayor.
Ayan, ang
Asia.
liwanag dito ng daan. Kumpleto, maraming Christmas lights, maraming ilaw. So,
Very festive.
very festive sa gabi. And then, may bago kaming Starbucks. Kabubukas lang na bagong Starbucks.
May second floor.
Na may second floor.
This is card you.
Ayan, dahil naghanap ng makakainin yung mga kids, bumili kami kong Japanese. Kasi ito yung Jayla, sashimi, sushi, and ramen. Japanese restaurant dito sa amin sa Santo Tomas. And malapit na rin sa SM. Tapos yung katabi niya ay Indian restaurant, Zaika. Sana Chowking eh, Chinese. Pero sige, bukas pa itong Japanese, so Japanese tayo. Hello kids.
Who wants to eat ramen?
Dalawa siguro niyan tapos share.
Tapos order na lang tayo ng ibang. So, dalawang tantan. Order tayo ng both.
Don't disturb my Camila.
Tantan ramen kasi is maanghang. So, mag-shoyu na lang tayo. Excuse me. Salmon sashimi. Mix, alin dito? Yung 250 grams. Isang mix sashimi na 250 grams.
Dalawang ramen.
Oo, dalawang shoyu.
shoyu nila.
Oo. Tanuin mo kung gusto nila. Gusto niyo ng California maki.
Can you stop fighting?
Saan yung hanger doon?
I don't know. I was just singing and Camila didn't mind her own.
This is the view of Santo Tomas sa gabi. And ito yung neighborhood na isang bar dito na tinatambayan. Katabi nun, magkakaroon ng bagong Mang Inasal. Yung mga car dealership, doon naman yung SM dito. May hotel doon, yung Indian Hotel. Sa harap niyan may SNR. Hindi yata kita kasi gabi. Minsan tour ko kayo ng umaga. Maraming street lights naman, tsaka maraming parol, Christmas lanterns. Kaya maliwanag dito sa Santo Tomas. And ito yung sinasabi namin na Indian restaurant. Biryani, kebab, and curry. Itong building na to ay Lianas. Medyo lumang building na siya. Medyo mahina siya kasi may SM eh. May katabing SM. Dito naman yan, may Chicks Inasal, may Shakey's. Tapos may isa pa ditong King Lok Chinese restaurant. So maraming option. Mga bukas pa talaga ito paggabi na. Ayan, doon naman may Krispy Kreme. Tapos doon yung Chowking sa nadadaanan namin. Medyo malayo-layo lang yun. And dito, marami pang option. Meron ditong Shopwide. Hindi na natin maging option yan. Tsaka naghahanap nga ng may sabaw yung mga... open pa siya actually. Pero gusto nga namin yung may sabaw pag ganitong gabing malamig. Ayan, ito may confits dito. Mayroon ding Max doon sa paloob pa doon. May Tokyo. May Save More. Pero yung Save More sarado. And then yung ibang restaurants doon sa looban, meron pa rin naman. Pag nagawi kayo dito, maraming option. Burger King. Pero ako, ang lagi kong pinupuntahan ay yung mga gotong Batangas o kaya lugaw o kaya mami para mainit sa tiyan. Pero ngayon, may ramen naman kami. So, Japanese restaurant na pinuntahan namin. Okay naman. Mainitan na sikmura. So, malapit lang naman. Nilakad ko lang ng konti para mapakita ko sa inyo. Typically, hindi na kami nakakalabas ng buong family kapag kasi yung dalawa naming malaki ayaw nang sumama. Palaging may sariling mundo na. Ayun, Shakey's bukas pa rin. Yay! There's our food. What's this one?
Wait lang guys. Wait lang.
It's ramen.
Look,
Another ramen.
Daddy, I'm gonna touch you.
Gyoza.
I'm gonna touch you.
Sashimi.
I'm gonna touch you. I'm gonna touch you.
California Maki. Ito yung ano yung yan? Yung volcano? Volcano. Ang favorite ni Daddy ay sashimi. Bus na. Last piece na ng California Maki.
Bago pa.
Ang lakas kumain.
Oo, isaw-saw mo dito. Bago pa na
Yan, gyoza. The volcano. Do you like the ramen? Si Mot, ni Ate Bella. Kelly, Camila, you have to finish that, Ate Bella. May Mila is sleepy na. She wants to love with Daddy. Camila ate ramen. She ate California Maki and gyoza. Ate Kelly, what did you eat, Ate Kelly? Well, Ate Kelly also eat a lot of ramen, but she's on cell phone. Are you almost done, Kelly? Okay, good job. You don't have slippers? We're going back to the car. Mommy still have work and Daddy still have work pa. Are you busog, Camila? She's busog. You see the flower? It's called cherry blossoms, sakura. It's not strawberry flower. Go guys, make sure not to leave anything. I need to find my keys. So cold here in Santo Tomas right now. The family. Okay, go inside na, Mila. Yo, so that's it. We're done with our quick food trip. What did you like, Kelly? What food did you like? Ramen, of course. We will go back home na. See ya, everyone. So, we're back home. So, yun. It's fun. Itong restaurant na to, yung madalas na kami doon, can compete with yung mga chain na Japanese restaurant, mga Ipponyari, mga Boteju, and pwede kasi mga anak namin sa Japanese restaurant. So, sa Japanese food. So, madalas din ng Korean, madalas din ng, syempre, Filipino, pero whenever nag-crave din, mahihilig sa Japanese. If magawi kayo dito sa Santo Tomas, Batangas, check nyo yung restaurant na yun and iba-iba pang establishment dito sa amin sa Santo Tomas, Batangas. So, hope that helps. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye!